you're in London. It's not the same time. So like,
see. I'm on the same time as Nigeria. I caught you.
well,
Nigeria.
Who tell you that? Who tell you that? I'm not Nigeria.
You said I'm on the same time as you, and we're on the same.
I said I just check you right now. You're in London, me I'm in California. It's not the same time now. Okay, which one make I tell you right now and you believe me I'm not in Nigeria?
Let me see outside.
Outside the window?
Yeah.
Everywhere dark now. Because everybody's sleeping now.
Let me see outside the window.
I don't feel it, Shabby.
She don't believe me, I swear, wallahi.
In California, it's daylight right now.
Yeah, but everybody's sleeping because everywhere dark because it's night.
It's not nighttime in California yet.
It's nighttime now. It's 2 o'clock. Sorry, what's the time? Let me check time now.
Anyways, I'm gonna go.
See outside?
That's the same view you showed me last time. It's not California.
No, it's not the same views. Yeah, we're changing our hotel.
Okay.
You are changing our hotel now.
Because it's 12. It's 12 at night in California.
Yeah, because we are in California. Me, I'm in California.
You see how I lied? It's 6 p.m. in California.
It's 6 p.m.
6 p.m.
It's 6 p.m. Yeah.
Why are you telling me it's 2 o'clock? It's 6 p.m. now. I just check it right now.
Let me see.
See now.
Let me see. Let me see.
The phone?
Yeah. It's upside down.
See now.
It's upside down.
Let me open the phone. Let me open it. Sharp now.
You don't need to open the phone. I'm just trying to see the time.
Okay.
Yeah.
You need to open the phone. Show the time. This time is not correct now. See.
Let me see.
9,000 people will watch that.
This time is not correct. If I show you, it's fake time. It's fake time now. I'm telling you, sis now. It's gonna make me cry right now because you don't believe me now. It's not correct time now. I'm waiting for the correct time and show you the time.
Okay. I'm gonna go now. It was nice speaking to you.
It's no time for sleeping right now. You need to chew and eat food because it's not eating. You are chopping Pringles there. You are eating. I don't know.
It's not Pringles. It's Doritos.
It's not. You are not eating. You are just chewing this thing now. You need to eat.
Okay. Okay. Bye.
You need to eat, face.
Okay. Bye.
You need to eat.
I'm going to eat. Bye.
You need to eat now. For my front.
Okay, bye.
Queen. Please, let me see water. Hookah.
Is it about to pour?
Freaking feed you. Shut up, my no.
Yeah?
Nothing.
You just talk now. You just talk now.
No, I didn't speak.
Do you make up?
If you wanna lie, I can lie too.
No, if I not lie for you, if I lie for you, I can't lie for you. Anything, if I lie for you, anything I defy, may God not kill me.
Should I tell you how many lies you've told me?
What's that? Tell me how many lies I tell you.
You've told me Cardi B is your ex.
And you didn't believe?
You told me you're in California. You told me that you wrote The Box by Roddy Ricch. You told me that you played the dance Drake song. You told me. What else have you told me?
Okay, which one do you believe for inside? Which one? Why?
I don't believe anything you said.
Why?
Because it's all lies.
It's not lying. Check up on my Google. Check on my YouTube channel. You can see my story there. Over there.
You've told me like 20 lies. I don't even know anymore.
Eva, I'm not lying. I'm not lying. Okay, which one you want to believe right now? I should come meet you in London tomorrow or what?
Nah, I'm okay.
You are okay?
Yeah.
Because I want to show you, say I'm not lying.
You lie.
I'm not lying. What are they going to say?
Get the boss.
I'm not lying. You will make me
What are you
cry
lying?
right now. You
What are you
make me
lying?
cry because I'm telling you the truth. I'm not lying. Whatever, I don't know who is telling you there or something. Some people is ever there telling you that I'm not lying. I'm talking the truth now.
I'm talking the truth.
So you're trying to tell me that Cardi B is your ex?
Yeah, she's my former.
And now she's your ex?
Former before I live there. Before I leave the country now.
So you're in California?
Yeah.
You're in California?
How many times I need to tell you that I'm California?
I'm just trying to double check here, okay? You wrote Roddy Rich's song.
I write Roddy song.
Oh, he said he got a tune with Travis. Oh yeah, you're making a song with Travis Scott.
Yeah, I played the song for
You
you.
were at Quavo's party yesterday, the live, right?
Yeah, I was in the live video.
You're in the live video yesterday. So if I go watch it back on YouTube, you're in there.
No, they are not into. They are put it on their phone, and you expire now. You expire. You don't pass 20. You don't pass 24 hours. You don't have. You have passed. You have deleted for their phone. When you check it,
but it's on YouTube.
It's not on YouTube. They can't post it on YouTube because it's not social media. Only phone. Yeah, only phone.
Okay. You lie a lot. So
No, queen, don't. I'm not lying. You need to think about it. Think about it. Oh, baby, think about. So this is how we be. So my people.
Oh yeah, please. you said that Cardi stayed with you when she was in Nigeria.
Yeah, she was in my house in Ajeji. She was in my house in Ajeji. Ask Cardi, say, when you go to Nigeria, Cardi.
Okay, call her. Call Cardi right now.
She's not lying.
So you don't have a number.
Let me check. Let me put the phone.
You don't have a number.
I have a number.
You go like the work.
Okay, call her.
I'm trying to get her.
She's not online. How you say she's not online?
Let me see the front of the phone if it says Cardi.
In California, I was born yesterday with my G.
Oh, you went to the party. You went to Quavo's party.
Yeah.
You went to Quavo's party.
Yeah, I was bed. I was telling you yesterday. It was bed yesterday now.
But Quavo had the party on live. It wasn't real.
On live video. On live. Did you see me with dread like this? Did you see me with dread? I wear cap. Did you see Sweetie? Did you see Sweetie? She was talking to with the black guy. Wear she do like this. He can't wear cap. It's me. I'm the one. Check Sweetie phone. It's a live video with your phone. I was in live with Quavo.
Okay, guess this one. All right.
Okay. Hey, I did anything for club. I did anything for club. Hold on, I'm Moses. I believe I'm me. Hold on, I believe I'm me. I never bought for that D. When me the love, give me the talk. Someone the same. Nobody calls you the first and they say, I look at you. I do anything for club. I know the song. I do anything for club. Featuring Cardi B. Offset featuring Cardi B. My ex-babe featuring my G.
Wait, Cardi B's your ex?
Yeah, when she's in Nigeria, she stay in my house. When she come show last year in Nigeria, she was in my house. Yeah, she was using my car, everything to go and buy something. You get, because all this one there, my G, even they come show over Nigeria like this, even not in my house, like president house, because we are neighbor. We are not far with the president house.
Have you heard Drake's new song?
Huh? Drake.
Have you heard Drake's new song?
You leave the song, he called me. Before he release it, he called me. Why not? Let me, I should play for you or not?
Do you know the dance?
Yeah, the dance.
Okay, do the dance.
Okay. Okay. I'm here.
Okay, I'm gonna go now. I'm gonna go. Are you sure you don't have corona? Why are you out of breath?
Huh?
Drink water. Drink water.
What's Lua?
Is it magic water? It's not just water.
Water.
You know,
Water.